काँग्रेसीचे राष्ट्रीय फुडारी राहुल गांधी गोंयांत 2 दिसांच्या खासगी दौऱ्यार आसात. ब्रेस्तारा सकाळी काँग्रेसीच्या कांय फुडाऱ्यांनी तांची भेट घेतली. भेट घेवन गोंयच्या संदर्भात महत्वाच्या विशयांचेर उलोवणी केली. RDXGOA खातीर परवरच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Leader Rahul Gandhi ji came to Goa. It was purely a private visit, and we met him, we received him, and today in the morning we got an opportunity to speak about several issues about our party, the way our party affairs and the way our party is moving forward. So तेणे तेजेर सगळे एक म्हाका दिसता आमकां बरो टायम दिलो, and he explained to us certain things, keeping in mind the principles of the Congress party, for what the Congress party stands, and he has told us to go ahead, be with the people, because he is also aware of the amount of corruption and the amount of unemployment, all the sections, the way Goa is very close to his heart. And definitely he knows several issues. He has asked us that we should be the voice of the people, and we discussed in detail about several other our political agenda for the future. He said that he would be in touch with us, and we will definitely take this agenda forward.
Family visit
See, that as I said, it is his private visit. He had come on a private visit, and I think it's not appropriate for me to comment on a private visit.
तुम्ही सकाळी पार्टी मेळ्ळी, पार्टीचे मेंबर थोडे तांकां एनी डिस्कशन ऑन अपकमिंग इलेक्शन लोकसभेचे?
Definitely there was a discussion about the elections and discussion about political strategy, how we should go about the parliamentary election, how we should go about the state with the 8 defectors that so doka they nikelo koka gen. Yeah, maga this was also discussed, and definitely he has asked us to strengthen the party. All the 3 MLAs, we will definitely be the face of the people of Goa, be the voice of the people of Goa, and to be together taking all the opposition party MLAs as well. As you see, we have definitely raised several issues in Goa's interest. So that is how we have to be together.
Okay. President
This you said private visit, right? So any chance ki election अपनी एक public visit का जायकलो so?
Public visit भी नसतले.
Definitely it will come. No? That is part election once is declared. Definitely they will.
किती announcement सांगला तुमका tentative dates में?
There's nothing like that. We discussed our internal party.
I mean, he was kind enough to, apart from the Congress party, how to build up the party. He was very sensitive on the issues which Goans face. के मेन इश्यूज मुद्दे आहे ते तिथले जे BJP सरकार गोंय जनतेचे अत्याचार हे चलताय. सो इजिली ताणें जायते खबर घेयली, and he gave a patient here and he said like any time he told the LOP also, and आमगे प्रेसिडेंटाक सांगला आमकांय सांगला की any time if you feel that you want to speak to me, you can call me directly. And these are his words. Told us to contact him directly and take his guidance if any time we want anything. So he said we have to build a party, we have to strengthen and make people feel that Congress is with them.
मणिपूर इश्यूचे किती डिस्कशन भी झाले?
Manipur, I said yeah, whatever is happening, it is known to everyone. It's wrong. So we should all together come together as one nation. Ek lok as one. We shouldn't divide. He said we shouldn't divide. We should keep everyone together. Unity is very important.
साऊथचे सीट असते सध्याचं काँग्रेसचं स्ट्रॉंग असतं. सो एनी डिस्कशन साऊथ सीट साऊथ अबाउट ते कसे स्ट्रॉंग करपाक ते?
Those points we have discussed. We cannot tell. But definitely he said we have to build and take both the seats, north as well as south. Why only south? We can even hope the north also will be with us this time.